Here it is, the 2026 Ferrari F80, the newest hypercar from Ferrari. A masterpiece that redefines the limits of speed, power, and design. Every decade, Ferrari stuns the world with a legendary hypercar, and now it's time for the F80 to take the crown. F40, F50, Enzo, LaFerrari, and now, the F80. Under the hood, it's nothing short of spectacular. The F80 packs a hybrid engine like no other, a 3.0L twin-turbo V6, pushing an insane 900 horsepower, combined with electric motors adding another 284 horsepower. That's a total of 1184 horsepower.
And it doesn't just stop there. This beast launches to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.15 seconds. You heard that right, 2.15 seconds. And to 200 kilometers per hour in only 5.75 seconds. It's the most powerful Ferrari ever built.
But the F80 isn't just about performance. It's a collector's dream. With a $4 million price tag, it's the most expensive Ferrari in history, and only 799 units will ever be built. The F80 is so exclusive that collectors have already started calling the sales department before it's even officially out. The aerodynamics of this hypercar were inspired by Ferrari's Formula One DNA. With 285mm tires at the front and 345mm at the back, and nearly 1,000 kilograms of downforce at 250 kilometers per hour, the F80 glues itself to the road like a true racing champion. With over 1,000 kilograms of downforce at high speeds, the F80 hugs the road like it's on rails. This is more than just a straight-line speed demon. It's not just what's under the hood that makes the Ferrari F80 extraordinary. Take a look at the finer details. Ferrari's use of ultralight carbon fiber throughout the body not only makes the car sleek and lightweight but ensures maximum performance on the track. Every element has been meticulously crafted to perfection. The F80's hybrid technology isn't just about raw power, it's about precision. The electric motors work in perfect unison with the V6 engine, delivering torque exactly where and when it's needed, ensuring maximum grip and power output through every corner and at every speed. This isn't just a hypercar, it's a technical masterpiece. With the heart of Le Mans and F1 coursing through its veins, the Ferrari F80 is more than just a car, it's an icon, a legend, and the ultimate expression of Ferrari's engineering mastery. The future of hypercars has arrived. Are you ready for the ride? If you loved this video and want more on the world's most insane cars, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more epic content. Let's take this journey to the next level.